My name is Fatuma. My name is Renny Rangi. My name is Garima Sinha. On the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, we are going to celebrate vacuum cleaner with the help of my friends. It is a vacuum cleaner. It is used to clean the dust. Like see, I am showing you.
Hey everyone, myself Sankat Mochan Branch Students, myself Sankat Mochan Branch Students. Today on the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, we all have prepared a model of air cooler under the guidance of our science teacher, Mr. Krishna sir. This is a working model of air cooler.
Everyone, my name is Pranjit. My name is Anandis. My name is. We are from class 6. On the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, we have made small, non-working model badminton court. It is a national game of Indonesia. It is played by 2 or 4 players, and there are many rules for this game. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Mohammed Reza.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushmita.
On the occasion of World Youth Day, we are going to do an experiment of efficiency distribution. So let's get started.
This is mirrors. This is visible.
Okay.
This is iodine. This is mercury. When we put iodine and mercury, this the answer is right. When we put on iodine and aluminum, the right way means the answer is wrong.
Jai Hind, my name is Raman.
My name is Guru.
My name is Nasim Mani.
We are going to present our project wind energy source.
When we connect the battery to the motor, then light comes to the house. When wind comes, then energy comes in house.
Today, on the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, I made my project. It is made by me under guidance of Krishna sir. Its name is periscope. When a small child cannot see along the wall, they can put it on the wall and can easily see it. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Short Singh from class 9. Today I have made an experiment on the occasion of World Youth Skill Day. Let us explain. When we do cycling at night, this helps us to show light.
Class 9 and today on World Youth Skill Day, I have made this 3D holographic project with the help of cardboard and plain glass. As you can see, it is working properly, and you can also make it at your home to view holographic video, and also you can play movies, and you can also use it as a phone stand. Thank you.